timeline view and board view. These are the two views which Smartsheet has recently added. Okay. Now the timeline view is designed in a way in which it can help the users to visualize and manage date-based work on a horizontal timeline. Like when I say horizontal timeline, it's going to be a horizontal bar. Okay. It's best for planning and managing projects where you need to track your deadlines if it is coming nearer and you want to see how the tasks are aligned with each other so that you don't miss the deadline and you deliver it within the time, right? So the key features of this view would include like it displays the task as horizontal bars, showing you the start dates and the end dates. It can highlight the crucial tasks for you, and you can adjust the time scale to show, like to view the data maybe on the days basis, weeks basis, or months basis. So let's go to the UI and see how it looks like. So I will be selecting the timeline view. All right. So this is how it looks. Currently, we are viewing it as per the category. Okay, you can add certain groupings as well, or you can select any other thing that you feel like, as per your requirement to view the data. So we can see, okay, this is starting when, this is ending when, and all those things just appear, beautifully. Currently, I've selected the time scale to be of month. You can change it as per your requirement. Okay.